All right, so I'm at SEMA at the Lund International booth. These guys right here. And they got a pretty badass Jeep. It's called the Bandit. It's a truck conversion for the JK four-door.
All that by industry-leading service professionals.
So yeah, this is a StarwoodCustoms.com build. Starwood makes awesome Jeeps, man. They're known to make incredible Jeeps. There's that Dana 60 axle. Look at these wheels. Those are cool, man. They almost look like military wheels. You know the military wheels you see on the big 5 tons? It looks like that kind of style. It's pretty badass. Got Nitto mud grapplers on there. Man, that's a cool bumper. It's got, I don't know what this is. I don't even know what you call that, but that's a pretty cool design. It's almost like a bull bar right there, protecting your winch. LED built in there. LED headlights. That is nice.
It's just a lifestyle.
Can't see what kind of suspension that is. Gorgeous. Look at those seats. I don't know if you guys can see the seats. It's almost like a track kind of pattern on the seats. There's another shot of those wheels. Here's the fender flares. Little tiny stubby fender flares. And here's the truck bed. It's nice.
Them better. At Lund International, we don't make the